Mana ki whenua, mana ki tangata, haere whakamua.
No te whenua mātou, ko papa tūnuku, tō tātou whaia, mā tātou katoa, me tiaki, i aia.
I ko tahi ai te hapori o te tonga o Waikato ki te taha wai o whakauru ki Tokoroa. Ki raro i te maru o Pokaiwhenua Catchment Group o DairyNZ o te poari matu o Raukawa hoki. Ko tahi anake te kaupapa.
Ko te whakatō kākano, te mahi āringa.
What they'll be planting today is mainly the native grasses that you'd find typically along a stream edge, that there's still remnants here, so they're going to learn about those species.
So these grasses are proven to have a really strong root base and bind the soil together. So we've got a variety, if we want me to get technical, but there's a fair few cool different varieties here. We've got Germinata. The Germinata is a plant that they call it rhizomes. The roots distribute underground and pop up new shoots, so they will actually take over this place and really bind it together. We've got giant umbrella sedge. That's a really, once again, it's actually the strongest of all the native plants of binding soil. And we've got Carrick sector and Fugata. They're just a different variety of those New Zealand native grasses. Oh, and a cabbage tree. The cabbage tree is here too. And they're all tasked with holding nutrients, but they also, once they're massive and grown, they'll shade and cool the water, and that's what biodiversity wants. Biodiversity wants, or fish and eels want, cool water, shading.
Nā te māku me te paru hāre o te whenua, I puta I te whakaro ke whakatūria he rā pēnei.
Ia mātou i konei, i ngā rā kua pahure, I ki te mātou I te paru haere o te awa, me te paru hoki o te whenua.
This site where we are was totally enclosed with, you can see some of the willows in the background. It was thick with willows, so it's been cleared by digger work and chainsaws. When you do that type of work, it opens and it exposes the soil, and we don't really want the soil to wash out into the whakauru stream.
I te tōnga haere o te rā, I kitea ngā hua.
Anō nei te pai o te kotahitanga, te whakakotahi ai, ngā tangata katoa, Māori mai, Pākehā mai, ki te tiaki, ki te whenua, ki te tiaki, I ngā tuna, me ngā kaura ke roto I te awa, ko ngā kaipāmu kei konei, ko ngā mea o te ngāhere kei konei.
Raukawa has been really instrumental in making that project happen as well, being part of this, and everyone sees the benefits of restoration. And we want to highlight what's happening on farms around New Zealand, but also within the Pokaiwhenua catchment. Farmers are doing this sort of stuff on their own properties, and we're also doing it in town, just to connect everyone, you know.
Mena ka tae tātou o Raukawa ki te tūtaki I enei tangata ka tae te whakakotahi ai ki te whakaora ki te whenua.
It can't be just about us as a catchment group, it needs to be about the wider community. We want to help with this, we want to plant some plants with you so that future generations can come here and enjoy it. They're going to be the ones that will benefit and see the plants that they've planted grow nice and strong and tall and be able to see a healthy awa again.
Te kawa paora, Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.